Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy.
Local area emergency for Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. There's been numerous reports of an unidentified person roaming the streets, chasing people until they get tired before decapitating them and putting their head on stick. Before that, a file opened up called Mario.85. If you open the file, he will come to your house and decapitate you. Stay tuned for radio outlets for further information and stay indoors and do not be sighted.
The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. A 911 telephone outage emergency has been issued. The description of the person decapitating their heads have been given according to witnesses who have seen them before. He is a very pale white man, is wearing a red hat, red overalls, black eyes, black hair, black mustache, black shirt and black shoes. People are claiming it's MX from the popular 2021 horror game called Mario 85, but cannot be confirmed at this time. If someone in your family has not responded, just assume they're already dead at this time. If you see him, call the Gastonia Police Department at 704-866-6702. Stay tuned for further information on this developing crisis. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. The name and where he came from has been confirmed. His name is MX, and he's from the 2021 popular horror game called Mario 85. Please do not open the file called Mario 85 as he will come to your house and decapitate you. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation. This broadcast will be silenced for your safety. immediate evacuation in effect for Gastonia until further notice. Because the big battle between Kameron and MX is bound to happen, the following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. The battle will last for about 2 weeks. If you want to fight, do it now. Or if you want to seek shelter, do so. This is Tom from the Emergency Alert System signing off for 2 weeks. All clear. Repeating, all clear. MX has been defeated, and will be in prison for 200 years for killing people. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you can make your own EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcement. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching.